I'm back, and we're going to check out Bombardier BBD.B on the Toronto Stock Exchange, 10 years, monthly candles. Let's see what we have here. I like to always draw from outside to inside just to really get a grasp of what larger term, what's a bigger picture. And right now we don't seem to have a descending channel. The price seems to giving a huge 10-year falling wedge. There you go, pretty much a little bit like that. And even maybe a shorter term falling wedge. Could have been here, and this could have been, all right, this is better. We have a falling wedge. We have maybe a descending channel within the descending channel. So this line, I'm just putting it here because that could be some eventual resistance right here. And we have a big bottom which broke out. There's two things that happened here. We got out of the falling wedge. Let's add some. Hold on. Here we go. The falling wedge. Target should be the top of the falling wedge right here. So that's the big target, around $7. I'll set up an alert right there. So if ever I don't play Bombardier, I don't mind. I just come back when if an alert is triggered. And then I look, see what happened. Time moved on. But here, what happened is you had another like almost 1 year consolidation takeoff pattern, which gave a target after this breakout candle, which was rapidly reached. Let me draw a little arrow, see if that shows up. And right there, the falling wedge was reached. And you have the further you go out, the more candles you add, you have a bigger encompassing patterns, which are going to give targets. Further away targets, less probable, but better risk to reward. So this would be the first target of this launching pattern. And then you have this bottom formation right here. Oh, sorry. The height to bottom added to the breakout line. And this is the target right now that I have for Bombardier. About 420. Also coincides with a wall, which is a previous support turn resistance, this zone here, so it might hit some congestion right here, and that would also coincide with even a bigger bottom formation eventually if it came to test here and add a few candles and have another breakout pattern right there at that level. Time's going to move on. Maybe this is going to happen around here, and it might also coincide with this upper channel, and then have a juncture and explode to the last and final target of the biggest formation, the falling wedge. That's it. I could have misread the falling wedge. That's a further target out, but right now I like the target at $4. $4.25. Just setting some more alerts in case it goes back down. And sometimes I'm not sure. I'm not sure if this is going to be my A++ selection. I go check out other charts, and just in case I just don't come back to it, get some alerts and to suck me back in and reanalyze the situation. The real wall is here. So this scares me a little bit. Well, you see, maybe that's why the wick decided to close, or had not closed yet because we're not at the end of the month, but decided to retrace a little bit. This is a support turned resistance because of a breakdown, and now this support line becomes resistance. So right now, before I even reach that little further target here at 425, I'm probably gonna say that that's gonna be there's gonna be some turbulence before you get there. So just beware. You could just wait and had played this smaller pattern, reach your target, then wait for some sideways action consolidation at the 425 level, and then play that bigger pattern going up. Is this how it would look like if I consider this to be the charts morph all the time? There's patterns that change, and that would give me going all the way to previous highs. All right, so that's a lot of arrows, but I'm not gonna play. There's nothing for me to play Bombardier right now. It might have just been no man's land in between the test right here of this resistance, and from there on maybe see what is the best play for Bombardier right here. All right, I'll let you be. No man's land for Bombardier. Wait for 425 test and breakout, and that's about it. All right, it's getting close though. It's getting close. Go, 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 Bombardier. All right, bye.